Very good evening. Kya hal ba from Patna. I am Ankit Tyagi. This is the special presentation which is coming to you of Nationwide at 6 from the capital of Bihar. And I want to show you something. I love XYZ cities you must have seen everywhere across. Just see behind me. I love Chakachak Patna. So this Chakachak Patna and Bihar is all gearing up for the upcoming elections. And Patna, the capital city, is buzzing. If you are coming to Patna, you will not get hotels. You will find it difficult to get the cabs because trust me, everybody here in Patna is thronging across party stations hoping that they will get a ticket this time. I will get you that story from all the party offices in a short while from now. But breaking news coming in at this moment from the BJP camp, an important huddle of the Bharatiya Janata Party's election committee, the core committee here in Patna is taking place. Dharmendra Pradhan, who is the Prabhari of the BJP for Bihar, in fact, is chairing this meeting. And this is an important meeting where the candidate names are being discussed on the seats where the BJP is confident that it is going to be in its kitty. Dharmendra Pradhan is likely to take these names to, in fact, the national capital. Is expected to fly today itself for the top party leadership to put their stamp of approval on this. Let me go across to my colleague Raman, who is outside the BJP headquarters at this moment. Raman, is the meeting over और क्या-क्या डिस्कस हुआ इस मीटिंग में?
Exactly, we are standing in a BJP office and we want to show you the visuals right there that the meeting is ended right now and Dharmendra Pradhan and the more of the BJP leaders are now coming out from the party office, and this is a huge meeting which gone around 3 hours of marathon meeting is going on in BJP office, and now the leaders are coming out from the party office, and this is a very important day just before the candidates' names should announce in Delhi, because this is the last day when the Dharmendra Pradhan will take out all the names and they will fly to Delhi, and where the final discussions on the name will call out, and then after the BJP will release the first list of the candidates. This is the last day in Patna. That's why all the candidates who are interested to contest the election are already in the BJP office and giving their biodata to the Dharmendra Pradhan, and 3 hours of marathon meeting had been now concluded in BJP office, and right now you can see that Dharmendra Pradhan and the other leaders are also coming out from the meeting hall.
Raman, thank you for joining us with all those details at this moment. So huddles expected everywhere. In fact, late in the night, there is an NDA huddle which is expected here in Patna, and also one which will be at Tejasvi Yadav's residence as well. But while we are talking about, well, parties are discussing their strategy, there are still some hurdles before the seat sharing arrangements could be creased out, could be finalized across parties. And let me first focus on the NDA. In the NDA, where out of the 243 parties, the large chunk is going to be between the BJP and the JDU. But Chirag Paswan and Jitin Ram Majhi have thrown the spanner in the work. It's not going to be as easy as possibly many people expected. Chirag Paswan, who has been quite vocal, has said that he doesn't want a Rajya Sabha seat, neither an MLC. He's focusing on a big chunk of the MLAs in the NDA quota, hoping at least that it would be more than 25, between 25 and 35. On the other hand, Jitin Ram Majhi of the HAM has also said he's seemingly upset with the less quantity of the seats, amount of seats being given to him. At least that's what the reports are suggesting. He wants a respectable amount of seats, and if that is not done, he has threatened not to fight the elections. Sit this one out.
अभी आपके पार्टनर को मैंने बोल दिया है कि सीट का कोई हमारे यहाँ झगड़ा नहीं है। हम मान्यता प्राप्त होने लायक सीट मांग रहे हैं कि इतना सीट मिले जिससे कि मान्यता प्राप्त हमारी हो जाए बिहार विधानसभा में। और ये अपेक्षा इसलिए है कि हम कोई प्रधान मुख्यमंत्री डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर नहीं बनना चाहते हैं। हम अपने पार्टी को रिकॉग्नाइज कराना चाहते हैं, यही मेन डिमांड है।
अगर सर नहीं मिलती होगी सीट तो क्या
तो पार्टी के साथ हम रहेंगे। हम एक पार्टी में एक सीट पर भी चुनाव नहीं लड़ेंगे और हम एनडीए।
Let me bring in my colleague Prabhakar, who is joining us at this moment, Bureau Chief here in Bihar. Prabhakar, a lot of meetings are going on in every camp, but for the NDA, Chirag Paswan and Jitin Ram Manjhi, at least as they say in Hindi, the tevar that they are showing, that's not a good sign.
Yeah, and they are actually delaying the final locking of the numbers within the NDA camp. So Jitin Ram Manjhi has threatened that he would not contest election at all if he is not given a respectable number. The respectable number, according to him, is 15, and what we are learning from our sources that he has been given 10 seats, so the disparity of 5 seats actually, altogether. And Jitin Ram Manjhi wants that 15 seats should be given to him, and that's the minimum number required for him, because because he has to win 8 seats actually to qualify his party to be recognized as a recognized state party. If he wins 8 seats, in that case only he would be able to get his party recognized as a state party. So that's the logic he is giving. As far as Chirag Paswan is concerned, he has asked for around 45 seats based on his own calculations. The party, we are learning, then the BJP is offering him 24 to 25 seats. So there is a long gap of around 20 seats. So Chirag Paswan is playing tough. He was completely out of touch with the BJP leaders for the last 4 days. But today, as we speak, he landed in Patna. He was in Khagadia actually, at his native village where his birth anniversary of his father was being observed, and then he'll be coming back to Patna. So what we are expecting that tonight there will be a meeting with the senior BJP leaders, and Chirag Paswan will sit across the table with them. So all Dharmendra Pradhan to Vinod Tawade, they're all here. So from today evening, late evening to tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon, they would try to settle this Chirag saga, and then only the final numbers would be locked within the NDA camp.
Right. In fact, as Prabhakar was telling us, a lot of backroom talks trying to, in fact, persuade Chirag Paswan and Jitin Ram Manjhi going on. Sources also telling us that the BJP President JP Nadda spoke to Jitin Ram Manjhi as well. How much will they be able to assuage this anger? We will have to wait and see. But another breaking news coming in from the elections of Bihar. This one, in fact, from the Congress camp, where the Congress party's chief election, the committee, their main committee for the elections in Delhi today met. And that's one reason why the Congress office in Patna wore a deserted look. Importantly, the Congress party has decided on 25 candidates, and about 30 names of the candidates were discussed. We yet don't know the number of seats that the Congress is going to get, but they have gone ahead and have decided 25 candidates. Listen in.
जहाँ तक मुझे याद है, लगभग 25 सीट सीईसी ने माननीय अध्यक्ष जी के मौजूदगी में, चेयरपर्सन साहिबा के मौजूदगी में और एलओपी साहब के मौजूदगी में 25 लोगों का नाम क्लियर किया गया है, और कुछ और लोगों का डिस्कशन हुआ था, और फिर अगला जब भी बैठक होगा तो आपको जानकारी मिल जाएगी।
Aishwarya Jain, my colleague, joins me with more details from the national capital on this big meeting. Aishwarya, while the Mahagathbandhan is yet to finalize specific numbers, the Congress party suggesting there that 25 of their candidates are all set.
Well, that's right. The Congress CEC just concluded in the national capital. A few of the leaders from Bihar joined via video conferencing. Others were at the Congress headquarters, and the leadership had first finalized 25 candidates. Initial round of discussions were on the sitting seats of the Congress party in the state of Bihar, and those seats were discussed. Deliberations also went on for another 10 seats or so, and they have finalized. But the sources in the Congress party also indicating to us that the list will only come out when the seat sharing formula will be decided as far as the Mahagathbandhan is concerned, because there are still talks to be done with the CPIML, with the VIP and other smaller parties in the Mahagathbandhan camp. The RJD has refused earlier the CPIML request for having 30 seats. So after the seat sharing, only will come out. But Congress deciding on their own as far as the first list, initial list of 25 names for Bihar elections.
All right, Aishwarya, thank you for keeping an eye on this story coming in from the national capital. But trust me, like for voters, it's a once-in-a-5-year opportunity to cast their vote, exercise their franchise, their right. It is also nothing less than a mela for a lot of people, those who believe they should get the ticket to fight the elections. And while we are in the last almost 48 hours before the first round of the candidature starts here in Bihar, all the party offices are jam-packed. Everybody wants this once-in-a-5-year opportunity to have their go, possibly in becoming the next MLA for the Bihar Vidhan Sabha. I went across the party offices in Patna. Take a look at people, those who want to be the Bhavi Vidhayaks. The Daroga Rai Path, the road in Patna, is known for various political party offices, whether it's the RJD, the JDU, BJP and others, all have their regional offices here. In fact, headquarters here in Patna. Now, it's unusually massive traffic jams, huge queue of cars which are all across on this road because the dates have been announced, and now, of course, candidates from all across 243 constituencies are coming to these party offices to try their luck to get a chance to contest the upcoming Bihar Assembly elections. What I will do, I will take you to one by one all the party offices, starting with the JDU, and we'll get a sense of how these party offices are buzzing with so many people, candidates or their supporters, in fact, coming in for to try their luck and get the ticket. There are many others, those who are waiting inside. So let's go inside and see what's happening inside the JDU office. क्या नाम है आपका?
सुरेंद्र यादव।
कहाँ से आप टिकट लेने आए?
पालीगंज। मैं पार्टी का होल टाइमर सिपाही हूँ। 24 घंटा मैं पार्टी का काम करता हूँ। पालीगंज विधानसभा क्षेत्र से सर मैं आता हूँ, लेकिन अगर पार्टी का नेता का आशीर्वाद मुझे मिला तो सभी जाति और धर्म का मिथक टूटेगा। सुरेंद्र भारी बहुमत से जीत के नीतीश कुमार को हाथ को मजबूत करेगा।
अच्छा, आप कहाँ से आए सर टिकट लेने के?
विधानसभा।
आप भी टिकट लेने आए हैं?
हम लोगों का टिकट फाइनल है। 6 सितंबर को मुख्यमंत्री जी हम लोगों के क्षेत्र में गए थे, आम सभा हुआ वहाँ, उसमें उन्होंने डिक्लेयर कर दिया
आप कैंडिडेट होंगे।
हाँ, निराला कुमार, पूर्व मंत्री संतोष कुमार निराला
उनके समर्थक हैं।
बिल्कुल, हम लोग सभी लोग समर्थक।
जब आप लोगों का डिक्लेयर हो गया तो आप यहाँ पार्टी ऑफिस में क्यों खड़े हुए हैं? भीड़ इंतजार,
इंजॉय ले रहे हैं।
अब जाइए अपनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में काम कीजिए।
काम करके आ रहे हैं, थोड़ा यहाँ भी जरूरी है ना। मान लीजिए, हाँ सुन लीजिए, आदमी जब भोजन, एक मिनट, और क्या
पॉलिटिकल मेला,
हाँ आज झमेला बा हम सब आयल बानी जे कुछ झमेला बा जे जनता के चाहता जो वो उम्मीदवार सबका कुछ परिवर्तन करके नया होके चाहिए।
225 फिर से नीतीश।
So a lot of people, young candidates here, all of them at this moment speaking about what they hope that they will get a chance here to contest the upcoming elections. The seat sharing between all these political parties has not been finalized. Many of them would possibly not even meet the A grade, the top leadership of this party. But it's the election season, and as that gentleman said, their मेला है तो वो भी enjoy करने आए हैं. Let me just take you to the other party office as well and see what's happening or cooking there. Come. And if you just walk across the road from the JDU office, you will come here to the Rashtriya Janata Dal, the RJD office here on this road. It's just opposite, in fact, to the JDU office. And here as well, you would see a lot of ticket aspirants crowding the space here, all of them waiting to get a nod, to try and meet the top leadership and hope that they will get an opportunity. Let's go inside. We'll also talk to a few of them. भैया बायोडाटा लेकर आए हैं?
जी बायोडाटा लेकर आए हैं।
कहाँ से, कौन सी विधानसभा से?
बेगूसराय जिला से आए हैं।
बेगूसराय जिला। कौन विधानसभा से चुनाव लड़ेंगे?
बेगूसराय जिला में 7 विधानसभा है।
किसी से भी दे दें?
जिससे पार्टी जो है आला कमान जिससे तय कर देगी उससे लड़ जाएंगे।
So, like I said, you would see a lot of people coming in here with their biodata in their hand here at the RJD office, which is also, look at this, they are right, it's a full mela. I mean, that's the symbol of the RJD, the Laltain, and everywhere that you see, you will find a lot of people, those who have come in hope that the RJD this time is going to give them the ticket. Can I just show you something? I mean, just to give you a glimpse of how difficult it gets at these times. I mean, of course, the seats have to be decided. Which seat, who is contesting, all that is yet to be decided. But just take a look. Just take a look. Ashwani will just give you a glimpse inside the party office. There is not even a single, not even space to stand here. Lot of people jostling for space. Every single office here, people are hoping that they would be able to get in. This is Tejasvi Yadav's office in the in the RJD headquarters. But everyone that you see with their hands up and those posts with the candidature, they are trying to give their biodata, hoping that they will get an opportunity. एक सेकेंड, हम आ जाएं क्या भाई साहब बीच में? हो गया आपका जमा?
जी।
कहाँ से?
खगड़िया विधानसभा के लिए।
खगड़िया से? अच्छा, आ जाइए इधर।
35 साल से खगड़िया विधानसभा पे आरजेडी नहीं लड़ी है चुनाव। हमेशा गठबंधन में ही जाती है सीट। इस बार सारे लोगों को जो सीनियर नेता है सबके पास आग्रह कर चुके हैं। आप ही उम्मीद है मिल जाएगा? जी, पहले से उम्मीद है। कहाँ से आप चाह रही हैं?
216 विधानसभा से।
उम्मीद है?
हाँ,
बहुत सारे लोग आए हैं यहाँ पर।
उसे क्या करिएगा, महिला पर भी ध्यान देंगे तेजस्वी जी।
हाँ सर, बताइए।
गरखा से आए हैं सर।
कहाँ से?
गरखा विधानसभा से दिलीप कुमार राम।
टिकट लेने की उम्मीद में?
हाँ जी, हमने वहाँ
टिकट नहीं मिला तो
नहीं, क्यों कहीं नहीं मिलेगा?
नहीं मिलेगा तो जिनको टिकट मिलेगा उसका साथ देंगे?
नहीं, ऐसा बात नहीं, मिलवे करेगा। हाँ, एकदम विश्वास के साथ मिलेगा।
मिलना ही चाहिए।
क्यों नहीं मिलेगा? वहाँ के हम वासी हैं। हाँ। मिलवे करेगा एकदम निश्चित।
ये कॉन्फिडेंस ऐसे ही होना चाहिए। सो वन आफ्टर अनदर वन। हाँ जी, राजनीति कर रहा है आदमी।
राजनीति कर रहे, उतना दिन से उम्मीद रख के हमारे राष्ट्रीय जनता दल के आदरणीय लालू प्रसाद यादव जी महिलाओं के।
अगर नहीं मिलेगा तो फिर क्या करेंगे?
ना कैसे मिलेगा तो भी, और ना मिलेगा तो हम संघर्षशील लालू जी के जो सब दिन राजनीति किए हैं, राजनीति करेंगे, उनके पार्टी में रहेंगे, कहीं और अलग नहीं जाएंगे।
This was the whole attempt is just to give you a sense of what happens when during elections, how political parties and their offices are completely swamped with people, and then how it becomes a difficult, position for the party leaders to choose who they want to give the ticket to, because there'll be many others, those who will get angry and upset. And whether those angry and upset people have the ability to upset the equations as well, that is the analysis for the election result day. You saw the JDU, you saw the RJD. Let me take you to BJP and the Congress as well. Walk about 300-400 meters from the RJD office is the Bharatiya Janata Party's office here in Patna. And like I said, the excitement of the ticket aspirants clearly visible behind me as well. Wherever you will see a lot of people, those who are in fact waiting here. There is an important meeting going on of the party, which is likely to in fact finalize the number of candidates, at least the seats which they are have been promised. I found a familiar face. Our colleague Raman is here. Raman is our man on the ground here in Patna. क्या चल रहा है अंदर पार्टी में?
इस वक्त अंदर बैठक चल रही है बीजेपी चुनाव समिति की, जिसको हेड कर रहे धर्मेंद्र प्रधान। और ये जो आप क्राउड देख रहे हैं, ये सारे वैसे लोग हैं जो अपना बायोडेटा देने आए हैं, और उन्हें उम्मीद है कि लास्ट मोमेंट तक उनका नंबर जो है वो लग सकता है, क्योंकि आज लास्ट डेट है। आज के बाद की जो मीटिंग होगी वो दिल्ली में ये फाइनलाइज होंगी, और उसके बाद जो लिस्ट है वो दिल्ली से जारी होगी। तो लोग आज भी अपना लास्ट लक खेलने आए हैं और यहाँ पर उन्हें उम्मीद है कि उनका नंबर अंदर लग सकता है।
5 साल में एक ही बार ये चांस मिलना है। So let's Raman, let's try and speak to few of the aspirants, those who believe that they still have a chance, because as I said, it's a once in 5-year opportunity for a lot of these people, and also possibly many of them would be once in 5-year netas as well. They'll just come out of their shell once in 5 years. Let's just try and speak to a few of them, those who are waiting for the ticket aspirants. कहाँ से आए हैं?
कटिहार से आया हूँ मैं, कटिहार विधानसभा से चुनाव लड़ना।
समर्थन करने आए हैं उम्मीदवार? नहीं,
मैं उम्मीदवार हूँ। हाँ, 1983 से पार्टी का प्राथमिक सदस्य हूँ, पदाधिकारी हूँ, वर्तमान में पदाधिकारी हूँ।
नहीं मिला अगर टिकट तो
पार्टी के लिए काम करना है।
काम करना है, बहुत बढ़िया। चलिए, लेट मी ऑल्सो शो यू इनसाइड वेयर द यहाँ पे दिस इज वेयर
people are, this is the room where the people are sitting and they are still waiting for their number, and you can see the people are,
वो साहब
वो तो यहाँ के कार्यालय प्रभारी है जिनको लोग अपना
बायोडाटा देते हैं। कहाँ से आए हुए हैं सर?
हम तो गया से आए हुए हैं।
गया से आए हुए हैं, तो उम्मीद है इस बार आपको टिकट मिल जाएगा। दीदी अपना अपने हो गई बातचीत नेता बताओ सबसे?
नहीं, हम लोग तो पार्टी से कोई, हमारे लिए राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जैन समाज के पत्र लिखे हैं अमित शाह जी को, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष को, कि इनको कोई पद दिया जाए। अच्छा, अब पार्टी चाहेगी देना तो कुछ भी दे सकती।
ओके, दैट्स द प्लेस वेयर द मीटिंग इज गोइंग ऑन। आई विल शो यू द बीजेपी ऑफिस इनसाइड. This is where the meeting in fact is going on, and a lot of people are hoping, look at that, so they have completely shut these gates off so that the ticket aspirants don't go inside and barge inside and disturb the meeting which is going on at this moment. Sir, क्या आज मीटिंग में तय होने वाला है?
नहीं, तो चुनाव समिति के बाद ही न तय होगा।
सारे लोग बाहर टिकटार्थी घूम रहे हैं।
नहीं, वो तो लोग सबको इच्छा होती है। तो ये तो कोई आरजेडी है नहीं कि वन मैन शो है, या कांग्रेस है नहीं कि वन मैन शो है। हमारे यहाँ एक सिस्टम है कि बूथ लेवल से लेकर के जिला, स्टेट और सब मिल करके जो है वो चुनाव समिति तय करती है।
चलिए, thank you so much. So, as I said, the meeting is going on. We just wanted to give you a glimpse of, what happens between the dates being announced or the candidates being announced. Let me just get outside here, and, for any political party at this moment, these are the very crucial moments. A lot of candidates, those who are hoping that they would be able to garner some support, they would be able to get their chance, are here. You also know 90% of them their biodata would be taken, and then of course once again after 5 years, many of them would be back hoping that this time their luck is going to turn. But the people of Bihar eventually are going to decide whose luck or whose chance is it anyway this time. With my colleague Ashwini, Ankit Tyagi, NDTV. Sleepless nights for a lot of people in the next couple of nights. In fact, everybody would be hoping. Many of them, as I was saying, would not even be able to make the first round of scrutiny. But as they say, it's a democracy. Everybody has a right to fight elections, and everybody is taking their shot at this opportunity to fight the elections. All right, I'm coming back, taking a very quick break. Come back, there is much more to talk about the elections of Bihar. Chakachak Patna is waiting.